Hi, my name is Martin Liu, and I'm the founder and CEO of Comtrex, the largest marketplace for rail shippers to connect with transloaders. I'm going to be walking you through how to search for transit facilities. You're looking at the home screen with our dashboard widgets, and now you navigate to the very top to the Transload Marketplace button. Once you get to the home page, click Need Transloading, and this will start the process off for you to be able to navigate to the facilities of your that match the criteria you're looking for. First question is, what commodity do you need to transload? We have the entire stick code database in our system, and we allow for you to be able to search by commodity. So let's just say you're looking for coils, and then metals and products. And then now you see a list of all the different commodities that fit those two subcategories. So let's take sheet steel. And the next question is hazmat handling, whether this sheet steel product requires hazmat handling, so that'd be a no. Where does sheet steel need to be transloaded? So here's where you can put a zip code. So we'll use the Chicago area zip code. And then you're going to be asked whether this product is going to be transloaded at origin or destination. So let's choose origin. And then how far away from Chicago are you want to consider? So you can choose anywhere between 0 to 250 miles. So let's choose 250 miles. You also have the option to choose kilometers. And then lastly, what's your preferred class of railroad? You can choose as many as you'd like, or if you're unsure and you want to just default to all 7 of them, click I am unsure. And now you're going to be taken directly to the screen that shows you a visual of all the locations that match the criteria from the questions you just answered. At the very top, you see a visual with heat maps. Each of these different bubbles represents how many locations. If you see a blue bubble, that represents 9 or less locations. A yellow bubble is 100 or less locations. And you see that we have a filter, a class 1 overlay. So the orange lines represent BNSF, and the blue lines represent CSX. And then as you see at the very bottom, you can see all the results for the options that show up here in the grid. This red circle represents the 250-mile radius from the 60606 zip code. And you can click in, and now you can start to search for transloaders by clicking on either the red pins, which are our partners and members, or the gray dots. That will conclude this particular lesson on how to search for transloading. Thank you.